We're here dealing with the home improvers community, trying to grow a business.
We brought suppliers in with us that are giving away some goodies, bringing the community together.
I was coming to buy some gloss paint and then happened upon it.
I'm always here, I'm a come every day. I'm a tradesman, I haven't got my working clothing today because it's Saturday. You probably see new products, new stuff to use. It's great for them, yeah. At least something different to see.
I really like this kind of things. Make the people and the public connection.
Very happy.
Yeah, very nice.
She had to look at the photos of our house. Everything's grey at the minute and I wanted to lighten it up, so I was looking for whites, but actually changed my mind and I want more neutrals.
Yes, it's good thing because she gave me a couple sample for the paint.
She was really, really helpful on the Crown store and made some suggestions that I hadn't thought of.
I thought it was really helpful, and I hadn't known about the Harris blade. That was interesting to hear about that technology and actually see it demonstrated how straight the line could be.
So I feel more confident that I'll be able to know what I'm getting the right tool to play.
Well, today was a wonderful experience. Happy to see some of the faces behind the brand.
It's great to be in this store today. We've had loads of customers and been able to talk to them a bit more about their projects.
We just want everybody to come and feel part of the community so they can do any project, small or large.
It's great to show customers that we care about what they're working on and finding them solutions.
I think it's really valuable that the customers get to see Wickes and who we are, see the value behind what we do and that we actually care for the customers and the community.